Congratulations, you received the Entail Chair, which comes in a box like this, about 50 pounds, and with these 3 pieces that we're going to put together with 3 different screws. Here's the chair, seat of the chair. Here's the back of the chair, which slides into the back here with 3 different bolts turned by an Allen key. Here's the 3 bolts with the Allen key that's supplied, which is turning the Allen key into the bolts to secure the seats. Place the shiny side of the pneumatic cylinder into the bottom of the chair hole. Then place the base of the chair on top of that. Then the chair comes all the way together like this.